Hey everybody, John here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to clean the interior of your vehicle. Since your vehicle is one of the biggest investments that you make, keeping it clean inside and out will make it last longer, look better, and hold its value over time. For this video, we'll focus on getting the inside clean. Be sure to check out our videos on how to wash and wax your vehicle, as well as how to clean your windshield inside and out. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we would be happy to recommend a professional detailer in your area. But if you are, grab your supplies and let's get started. First things first, pick up and clean out all trash and debris. Use some compressed air or a vacuum attachment to clean out the cup holders and hard to reach areas. Once that's done, vacuum your floors and upholstery thoroughly. Dust and dirt combined with moisture can eventually cause stains and odors. Use a duster or interior brush to clean the dash, instrument panels, and steering column of any dust that was stirred up while you vacuumed. Check your carpet and seats for stains and use an automotive stain lifter to remove them. Remember to check the rear deck behind your back seats and clean it accordingly. If your upholstery is leather, use cleaner and a conditioner designed specifically for leather, and maintain its appearance in between cleanings with leather wipes. Use a spray cleaner or wipes to put the final layer of protection on your dashboard, console, armrests, and steering wheel. Don't forget the gear shifter, buttons, knobs, door panels, and handles. You might even want to freshen the smell inside your vehicle with a deodorizer and a new cabin air filter. And that's it. You'll find everything that you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our DIY videos are designed to help answer questions that we get in our stores each and every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to see all the latest, and we'll see you again soon.